Innovation. It's more than a buzzword. It's how we create a better future. But even the most breakthrough ideas can get slowed down by internal processes, lack of collaboration, and data integrity issues. It's hard to innovate when it takes too long to bring new products to life. Today's businesses need to get to market faster with higher quality products if they want to stay ahead of the competition. Meet the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, an incredible toolbox with all the applications you need to design, simulate, and manufacture, well, anything. Here's James. He's a designer working on a next-gen e-bike. It's a complex project with a lot of parts that all have to seamlessly work together. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, James can share his design with Sarah, a simulation engineer, and Tom, the project manager. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, each user gets, based on their role, access to the applications they specifically need to move a project forward. So James can build the model, Sarah can run simulations, and Tom can make sure the project runs smoothly. Even manufacturers can be invited to collaborate on specific parts, protecting intellectual property. Every application on the platform shares the same data and seamlessly integrates with each other, so there's never an issue with compatibility or version control. Sarah can take James's design and simulate how they'll perform in real-world environments. When she's done, the project manager gets a notification of the changes. Project dashboards make understanding complex projects easy, ensuring everyone can follow the project's evolution and access all the data in one place. Tom has some questions about the design. Instead of sending an email, he can make annotations right in the design using the collaboration application. Other team members can easily and quickly respond, make comments, and update the design. It's like working right next to each other, even when the team is far apart. Tom also needs input from Jessie, another engineer who's working on the e-bike's braking system. Jessie's new to the team, so Tom assigns her a role. Collaboration on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a breeze. With built-in version control, team members can collaborate with a single, consistent source of data throughout the entire design process. Everything is stored in a secured cloud, ensuring that everyone will always be working on the latest version with zero data loss. And whether it's a team of 1, 2, or 100 people, 3DEXPERIENCE scales and grows with each user's need. Plus, team members can work from any device, from anywhere in the world. Got a team member who needs help? We've got them covered with a dedicated support community of 3DEXPERIENCE experts. Collaborate more, innovate faster, change the world. That's the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.